you just got a bridge piercing or you are considering getting a bridge piercing and you didn't really go to the best piercer and they didn't give you much information on how to take care of it, I'm here for you, baby. Because this is not my first rodeo with my piercings. I have a story time on my very first bridge piercing in my piercing playlist if you care to watch. Whenever it comes to a bridge piercing, or really any surface piercing, because that is what this piercing is, you want to leave it the hell alone. I mean, besides cleaning it, obviously. But you want to make sure that you don't touch it, you don't spin the jewelry. Just make sure that you are very gentle with this piercing and cleaning it when you need to. So what I did with my bridge piercing was I just cleaned it 2 times daily with my piercing solution of choice. And instead of using a cotton swab, what I did was I used a cotton ball to kind of soak up the excess solution, and that softened up the crusties enough to where they would just pick up off on the cotton ball. It's very crucial within the healing time that you don't do anything to agitate the piercing or move it around too much. Also, downsize the jewelry immediately whenever you can, because having too long of jewelry in there will irritate the piercing and make it migrate a lot quicker. But it can be pretty tricky because it is, in the dead center of your face. There were a couple times during my healing process where it would get caught on my clothes or makeup would kind of get around in the area. You just need to be really, really gentle with this piercing and just really make sure don't do anything to irritate it at all within the first couple of months while it's healing. But yeah, if anyone is curious, I use the BodyJ4You aftercare spray. It has done wonders for me. Never had any issues, and if you want a recommendation, I definitely recommend that. But yeah, it's pretty simple, kind of tricky, but it's definitely worth it. Good luck to anybody out there who's about to get one or is currently healing one, and I wish you all the best. Bye.